Everybody, welcome back. Here you can see I got off Amazon here a tablet iPad mount holder bracket for the Mavic and Spark. Got the new Mavic Pro Platinum, which you guys probably seen the video, or you will. Here is a tablet holder, since I prefer to use a tablet than my phone. So it comes in this cool little pouch. Get all the pieces out here. I've got my transmitters charging, so I don't have it here right now, but I'll show you how this all goes. Oh, that's cool. It comes with a neck strap. I didn't even realize that. Probably won't use it, but nice touch. But anyways, this obviously, it's got the little screws here that hold the top, and that flips around. The way this works, this would be the top. This goes onto the Mavic remote, snaps into place. Then this comes up this way, and this here will go onto there. There we go. Then you can tighten it. Okay, battery died. Hopefully it kept recording. Anyways, you get this mount onto there. Oh, got it upside down, so we'll loosen that. Turn it around. Cinch it down. So your tablet will go into there. You'll hold your transmitter like this, and you'll still be able to see the screen through here. My transmitter is charging. Once it's done, we'll hook it up here, and I'll show you what it looks like all together. There we go. That's a tough one to get on there. Really tough one. There you go. There's my iPad Mini 2 on there. I don't know how this is going to work with the antennas, though, being kind of right in front of it. Here, let's try this. Gotta get it all set up right the first time, and then we should be good. There we go, that's better. I think we got it. I could probably even go up one. I could probably even go up one more notch with this. But we're really close. Obviously with this plug is not going to work so good. You're going to have to use a cord to plug your iPad in. But all in all, that's not bad, and that's how I'm going to fly it. I don't really have a whole lot of interest in putting my little tiny phone in there when I can have a big screen like that. So anyway, there you go. I'll have a link to it down in the description. Make sure you check it out. Like, comment, subscribe. One other thing with this mount is you can loosen that nut, and you can also turn it sideways and use it to hold your phone, obviously clamping your phone into it for the bigger phones. So there you go. You've got some options with it.